welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm wearing this Sugar's Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in Tan Fan. It's actually a very nice brick. It's more towards the brown, but it has red tones in it, and it's a very nice shade, especially if you are of a deeper complexion. This will look really nice on you. I'm also wearing this really cool sweatshirt from sweatshirt that has friends in it. This is from H&M. I think I bought it last year. I wore this in my dance video, and after that I kind of almost forgot about it, and I took it out today. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys one simple thing that you can use, maybe once you are 25 and above, to keep your under eye wrinkle free, to nourish it, to keep the skin hydrated, and also to help you with dark circles. Now if you've tried under eye creams and it hasn't worked for you, then this is one thing that will definitely work for you, but you have to stay consistent. You have to use it every night, and just because you're using an eye cream, that doesn't mean you can stay up all night or stay on your phone, because that will just not make sense. It will not be effective at all. So if you are using something for your under eye, make sure to sleep well. Don't be on your phone for a long time. Like I said in one of my videos, boys are not worth the dark circles. So get your beauty sleep, and you will be able to get rid of your dark circles and have beautiful under eye. Like Akka is not able to sleep because she has an issue. But if you don't have an issue, then I think you should sleep. On my skin, again, I'm just having that aloe vera serum. I kind of almost finished it. It's like, 5 days, I think. I don't know when was... Yeah, I think 5 or 6 days. I've been continuously using it and I've almost finished it, and I love how my skin looks. It's just amazing. Okay, so one thing I would suggest you is not to store this, because I don't know, it's okay to store it, but in my mind I feel like when you mix it fresh, it just is much more effective. So what do you need? You need, I forgot to get the actual ingredient, guys. I'm so sorry. I'll just be back. I'm like, you'll need, and I'm going on searching. The first ingredient you will need is castor oil. I like this Aroma Magic's castor oil. I use this for my tummy as well. If you have a lot of period pain, if generally your stomach is not feeling that great, or if you have any kind of pain, few drops of castor oil in your navel will help a lot. It will pull out the pain. You'll just feel amazing. So all you are going to do is take few drops of castor oil. Just take it in your hand. You don't need anything else to mix it or anything. You will take, and the quantity you will need very, very little. This is almost just few drops, not even few, 2 drops of castor oil. And then you are going to take a little bit of aloe vera gel. You can use any brand. The brands that I use and I believe in, I will leave it in the description box for you guys to check it out. Now once this is done, you're going to use vitamin E oil. The one I use is Evian 600 mg, the golden one. You can also use the green one, but I prefer using the golden one. So I'm just going to use this. Now I like using one whole capsule, but you don't necessarily need a whole capsule, especially if you're using the golden one, then just a little bit is enough. So you're just going to take vitamin E, and to this you are going to add a pinch of kasturi manjal. You can also use the kitchen haldi, but that has a lot of color in it and it will stain your skin too much. So I've just used very little of kasturi manjal. So kasturi manjal is wild turmeric, and even if you have that that turmeric block, you can also use that. And I'm just going to mix this on my hands. Just because I'm talking, this is taking a while. If you're going to do it on your own, then this will hardly take you 2 minutes. And once you mix it, it should look something like this. Once that is done, you're just going to take it and apply it on your under eye very gently. Don't go too close to your eyes because it can burn. You can also put this on your eyelids, but make sure once you've put it on your eyelid, you go to sleep. So you are just going to put this under your eyes. Be generous. The reason I told you not to go too close is because haldi can burn your eyes. So just be very, very gentle, very light pressure. And you are going to apply this. You can always go above your eyes as well, but this is more than enough. Now you are going to leave this overnight. You are going to go to sleep and wash it off in the morning. Now if you've washed it off in the morning and feel like the haldi has left a stain under your eyes, just take a little bit of makeup remover and wipe it off. It's not a big deal at all, but be consistent. Use this every night, and when you use it every night, you will see that all the fine lines and wrinkles will be gone, and also the darkness under your eyes will also be gone, and this will really help you. But again, like I said, you have to be consistent. Now of course I show a lot of like eye creams and all of that, but I have a lot of confidence in my DIYs. I really like believe in my DIYs. So if you are someone who does not want to buy an eye cream, or you have bought eye creams and you still haven't gotten the result, please try this. I promise you, you will love it. And I'm just going to go to sleep like this with this on, and I'm going to wash it off in the morning. I will meet you guys in my next video. I hope this video helped you guys, and yeah, that's it. Bye. Oh, I have haldi. Bye.